Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI images in InVideo AI and use them to make your videos more visually engaging and professional. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Start a new video project or open an existing project where you want to add AI-generated images. Before generating an image, decide what you want the visual to show. Think about the subject, setting, style, mood, and how the image will support your narration. Next, find the option for generating or adding AI visuals and enter a clear prompt describing the image you want. Be specific about the subject and include useful details such as the environment, composition, visual style, and overall mood. For example, instead of asking for a simple business image, you can describe a professional workspace with a person working on a laptop, clean lighting, and a modern environment. Once your prompt is ready, generate the image and review the result. If the image doesn't match your idea, improve the prompt and try again. When you find a suitable image, add it to the appropriate scene in your video. Next, adjust the image placement and size so it fits naturally within the scene. Make sure it doesn't cover important text or other visual elements. You should also make sure the image matches the narration. When the voiceover explains a specific concept, the image should help viewers understand that information.